Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping and Camp Patton Family Compound. So did a little run to the store to get some supplies, a lot of supplies because the staff sergeant's arriving this evening. And so I'm going to show you what I got for my normal 2-week run and other extra stuff I got for her as well. So let's get at it here. All right, so I went to several places. Let's start with Winco first. So got 3 loaves of bread because 2 of these the boys are going to snarf. Got 2 things, 10 packs of English muffins. The boys are going to snarf, and the staff sergeant will have some too. Then I got some grape juice and some apple juice. The boys will go through that really quick. Got some lunch meats. I got some roast beef, Land O'Lakes roast beef, and smoked turkey breast. And I got the boys some bologna. Excuse me. All right. Costco. Got some Hebrew National hot dogs, a 4-pack. These are 12-ounce packs here for this. Then I got a pound of the Kirkland fully cooked bacon. It's cheaper than the package over at Sam's Club, and it's better quality. Got a couple of the 3rd pound ground beef patties frozen. There's 18 per package there. Got a 10-pound block of Tillamook cheese. And yeah, the boys have been wanting sliced cheese more. And this is something I've never seen before at Costco. Pulled pork. So be able to do some, it's in water, but when I go to cook it up, I can add some of good Kinder's barbecue sauce to it. I also got a package of the carb balance, the really, really low carb tortillas for me. And for all the boys and the staff sergeant, got some regular tortillas. Got 2 gallons of milk. And for the boys, I got some Little Critters vitamins. I'd gotten some other ones a couple weeks ago, the Members Mark brand, but I got to take it back because it has maltodextrin in it, and this does not. So I got to take that poisonous maltodextrin back. I got a couple pairs of gloves for me and the staff sergeant for doing work around here. And then I got a Western shirt here for Daniel, since he was really good and he went with me. So yeah, it's button up and long sleeve so he doesn't get burnt in the summer. It's lightweight, so that's good there for that. So this is my little mid 2/3 through May prepper haul. So are you stocking up with stuff? All right, take care, and I'll see you around. I almost forgot something. I won something on Southern Bless Homestead, and we're going to have an unbagging. Let the staff sergeant do it because I got this for her. I won something, and I got it in a size that she can use. So got that there as well. All right, take care, and see you around.